So again, it's Friday night, so you guys already know what it is. Going for, we have the car meet tonight, but now we're gonna go on the cruise to the mall. So it's about 30 minutes away. So hopefully get some good shots. Tons of Evos out here. We got Evos, Subarus. Got the buddies over there. Got the R34, R33. Mine's dirty as hell, looking ugly as fuck. But looking good. I think we're just about to roll out right now. So got a couple stages out here, the wide body Z. Alright guys, we just pulled into the parking lot here, rolling around with some sick ass RX-7s. Super nice. Love the red on black. God, it's so classic, so good. Got the brids in there. Very nice. Got the 2 stages. These are becoming super popular as well as people, you know, come to find out about them. It's got the RB26 in it. Do the GTR conversions. I actually saw one with a Sylvia conversion the other day. It was all black. Oh my gosh, it looked amazing. It's hard, but wait. Got some nice Evos out here. Gauges galore. Buddy's GTT, looking good. It's a cool little cruise, little meetup over here. Car's super. Look how dirty it is. Terrible.
A good run.
Devin's monster.
I just got the ABS delete kit, so GK Tech one, so that's gonna go soon. New brake mask. I'm about to like redo the whole brake.
Clean, super clean. Damn, I should have washed mine. What is this? R32 GTRC? Nice. So yeah, so our group is the Oki Monsters out here. We usually get together every Friday, come hang out. So I decided to go on the cruise with them down here to the mall. Probably go in, grab some food right now. So threw the gauges on the RX-7 here. The Gretty. So now, like this just makes me want to get it so much more. Like I've seen them online on Instagram. I was like, yeah, I want to get one, but you know, kind of just putting it off. But now seeing them in person, like how you can change it to whatever you need, water temp, boost, oil. Man, I definitely have to get them now. They are badass. Found a great deal on these Brid Kugas, but they look great. Definitely planned on getting seats, but I didn't think it was going to be this soon. But found a deal, couldn't pass it up. They're already on island, which is great. So just went ahead and picked them up. This one a little different. Just picked up some parts from Stark Motors. Got the Project Mu brake calipers, front and rear, Project Mu pads, and some Nismo brake lines. So alright, what's going on guys? Today's the day. Finally gonna put on the Vspec 2 rear bumper. Shouldn't take too long, hopefully. Don't come up with any snags, but other than that, should go pretty smooth, hopefully. Got the rear camera there. I'm gonna have to disassemble that, take the lights out, all that. So I've never taken off a R34 rear bumper before, so you're gonna have to take off that bolt right there, and then there's a bolt right here. The bolt right here, and then there's 2 under here. Take off, obviously, take off these here. You're gonna take off the the light bolts, the license plate bolt. There's a bolt here, and then there's a bolt under here. So once you get all of that done, the bumper should just come right up. And that is what an R34 with no bumper looks like. Alright, so also you're going to have to pop this off your old bumper if you still have it. It's going to be held on. It's going to be held on by those two little clips there. You can cut them off. You're not going to be able to reuse them. You just have to buy some new ones. And then once you pop them off, metal piece here that's going to allow you to hook the bumper back on. So now I'm going to have to take it off and put it back on, but it is looking so much better with that Vspec 2 rear bumper on it. All right, obviously it never goes as planned. It's going to require some modification, so just gonna have to cut the bracket, make some holes. It's not fully lining up perfectly, so just gonna modify that, do the same to the other side. All right, modified the bracket, so now the bolts should be able to line back up and align to the car well. So still got to cut a hole in there, but bracket works, so that's good. All right, so finished up the rear bumper, got the plate back on, got the rear camera back installed. Everything turned out pretty good. Definitely needed some modification, but all in all, pretty good. I think it looks great. Definitely looks a lot better than the old. So I'm gonna plan on getting a diffuser, but for now it looks pretty good.